everybody, this is Short Circuit here. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM on your laptop. First of all, you want to go in and see how much you have. For people that don't know how to do that, or if you don't know how much is in your computer already, just go to the Start menu. You see where it says Computer right there? Right click it, go down to the very bottom where it says Properties. Click that, getting out of focus here. And then you'll see on this list, you go down, and right there it says Installed Memory RAM. And I have 4 gigabytes or 3.80 gigabytes usable. But that's how you tell how much RAM you have. And then first off, you want to exit out of that. Then you want to turn off your computer. Just hit that power button right there. Okay, I currently have one 2 gigabyte RAM card and another 2 gigabyte RAM card. So I can upgrade my RAM by 2 gigabytes since there's only 2 slots on my computer. I'm thinking about swapping these two 2 gigabytes out with one 4 gigabyte with my friend, since he only needs 4 gigabytes. But that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, once you get your RAM cards that you're going to install, come take a look at the bottom of your laptop. First things first, you want to remove your battery. Pop that thing out. That'll definitely turn your laptop off if it wasn't off already. And then there's this little frame thingy here. It's going to be Uno screw in it. That's one screw. Or at least in mine anyways. And then this little bad boy will pop right off. And there you go, there's your RAM slots right there. And you also have your Wi-Fi card right there. Okay, this is what we need right here is your RAM. I already have one 4 gigabyte card in there right here. You'll stick the other one in this spot right here. You just take the little booger and you stick it. You gotta kinda have it sticking up. When you push it in at like a 45-degree angle, like that, you just gotta push it in all the way, and then push it down, and those little metal clip pin thingies should clamp it, and that's all you do. Stick this bad boy back on, stick that thing back on, screw your screw back in, put the old batterito back in, and start this puppy back up. Dun dun. Okay, once you get your computer back on, you'll need to go check and make sure your RAM was, I guess, officially entered. Let's go back to your computer properties. Go to properties, and let's see here, it should say 6 gigabytes with 5.8 usable. There it is, right there, 6 gigabytes, 5.8 usable. Why is this not focusing? Focus, you little booger rat. Alright, there it is. It says 60 gigabytes of installed RAM. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped y'all upgrade your RAM. Anyways, check out the other videos. Thanks. Toodaloo, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Bye bye.